Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is another installment on live guides. I just found out something that is pretty cool. If you have intelligent dimensioning checked and you draw an object and you want to rotate it the same amount as that other object, right there it's exactly the same. It's going to show you, I don't know if you can see that on your screen. Let me zoom in here a little bit. You rotate it with an object that's close, and right there you get that little pi angle figure, and we're at 22.5 degrees, and this is 22.5 degrees as I made it. So let's make this one 47 degrees, make it something weird. Grab that, rotate it, and that's with this checked, which is intelligent dimensioning. There you go. You can angle it 47 degrees without even looking. And if you didn't know what that degree was, if my old deal, let's try this Smart Fill tool. When you use the Smart Fill tool and then you left click, right click, this is at 0. Let's take this one away and try it now. They're at the same angle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.